Hello guys, this is Uddhav Datta and welcome to our channel 1 to N Teaching. Today we will discuss about some basic formulas regarding differentiation. Let's see. The first formula is d dx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. The criteria is x not equal to 0 or any other constant. So d dx, which signifies that the change of x to the power n due to change in x. We don't say it dx to the power n by dx because this is a formation, right? So the first formula is d dx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1, where n is any integer regarding of rational number, regarding of natural number, regarding of whole number or any other else. First application of this formula is, let's find the differentiation of f x equal to x to the power 4. So what we can do, guys, we will write d dx of fx equal to, in the second step we will substitute fx by x to the power 4. So d dx of x to the power 4. Now compare this with this, x to the power n, x to the power 4. So here n is equivalent to this 4. So what we can write? First n, that is 4, x to the power n minus 1, which is equal to 3. So the differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x to the power 3. Is it clear? I think it is clear. So the next application of d dx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power minus 1 is, find the differentiation of fx equal to x to the power 3 by 4. So what we can write? We can write d dx of fx. So in the second step we will substitute d dx, we will substitute fx by x to the power 3 by 4 as like as this. Now what we can do? Here n is equivalent to this 3 by 4. So n 3 by 4 x, now n minus 1. n minus 1, here n is 3 by 4. So n minus 1 is 3 by 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 x to the power minus 1 by 4. The last application of this formula is, find the differentiation of fx equal to u to the power minus 4 by 3. So what we can do? We can first write d dx of, sorry, this is not fx, this is f of u. So d du of fu, which is equal to d du of u to the power minus 4 by 3. First, the formula is n x to the power n minus 1. So first write n, that is minus 4 by 3 u to the power minus 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 7 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 u to the power minus 7 by 3. Okay, I think these three applications are more than enough of the formula. So we will go to the next formula. The next formula is d dx of a x to the power n equal to a n x to the power n minus 1. The change is here we have a constant, that is a, and the change is just a constant, which is a. Criteria is a cannot be 0. Okay, because if a is 0, then this will be 0. The application is, first find the differentiation of fy equal to 1 by 3y to the power 3, that is 1 by 3y cube. What we can do? d dy, just like the function, just like the variable of the function, d dx will change and we will write d dy. d dy of fy equal to d dy of 1 by 3y cube. Now look at this formula. The constant we have is 1 by 3. For simplicity, we will write d dy 1 by 3 into 1 by y to the power 3. The next step is d dy 1 by 3 into 1 by y to the power 3. To compare this with this, we can write y to the power minus 3. Now this can be compared by this. So what we can write? A, that is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into y to the power minus 3, n, which is minus 3. Then minus 3 into x, which is y to the power n minus 1, that is y to the power minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to y to the power minus 4. Now reducing this, we will have minus y to the power minus 4. So the differentiation of 1 by 3y cube is minus y to the power minus 4. The next application is find the differentiation of d dz, find the differentiation of z equal to, find the differentiation of fz equal to 3z to the power minus 1 by 3. So d dz of fz equal to d dz of 3z to the power minus 1 by 3. Now we can write 3 z to the power n, so minus 1 by 3 into z to the power n minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now reducing this, we have minus z to the power minus 4 by 3. So the differentiation of 3z to the power minus 1 by 3 is minus z to the power minus 4 by 3. I think it is clear. These two formulas and their applications are very easy. So stay with us. Thank you.